Today, all the programs of while loop completely digit-based programs. So easily you will understand. So let me explain one by one. First of all, two things we need to understand. Any number, you just divide with a 10. 2 times 20. Remainder is a 3. The number 10 times 100. Okay, wait. I've shared the screen. No, not yet. Sorry. Thank you. Right. Now here is any number you are just dividing with the 10. 2 times 20 and the remainder is a 3. Suppose same 100 you are dividing with a 10. 10 times 100. Remainder is a 0. Next in the same way, suppose 10. 365. 36 times 360 and the remainder is a 5. Now here based on this, the two things I'll explain. The first thing is any number 23 by 10 value is a 2 because it will return the quotient value. Same way 100 by 10 will give the quotient value is a 10. 365 by 10 will give the quotient value is a 36. Now same 23 mod 10 will give the remainder value is a 3. 100 mod 10 will give that remainder is a 0. 365 mod 10 will give the remainder value is a 5. By 10 means what? Will give you the quotient. Mod 10 means what? Will give you the remainder. But one more point you need to understand. By 10 means what? Every time that last digit is removed. Last digit is removed. Mod 10 means what? That last digit will come. That last digit will come. That is the difference between these two, by 10 as well as mod 10. Any number by 10 will give you the last digit. Remove the last digit. Mod 10 means what? Will give you the last digit. That's it. So first of all, we need to understand these programs so that using the while loop, easily you will understand all the digit based programs. See here, I'm taking one number first. Integer n is equals to suppose 365 I am taking. I'm printing the n value. N value is a 365. Next, what we are doing, n is equals to n by 10. I'm removing the last digit. 5 will be removed. Remaining value will store into this n. So n value now become 36. Will print. Next again n is equals to n by 10. Printing. N is equals to n by 10. Printing. See, when you are executing this code, output is a first 365 will print. First 365. Next one, last digit removed is a 36 will print. Is a 36 will print. Next one, 3 will print. Finally, that 3 is also removed, 0 will print. 0. So every time whenever you are deleting digit one by one, finally n value becomes 0. N value become 0. Today, all programs based on this concept only. Sir, how many times you need to write this thing? We don't know. Here it is okay. 3 digits are there. We are writing 3 times. Sir, 4 digits are there, or 5 digits are there, or 7 digits are there. That's why if you don't know exactly how many times you have to repeat the loop, any number you can give, any number. So these two lines of code, these two lines of code, you have to write in the while loop until n value not equals to 0. When it will become 0, enough. You should stop. You should stop. That's it. Now look at the output. First n value 365748. Yes, not equals to 0. It will remove the digit and printing the remaining n value. Again loop will repeat. 8 will gone. 8 will gone. The next value is what? 3636574, because 8 gone. It will remove the last digit and print that value. So next 3657. It will remove the last digit and print the value. 365 not equal to 0. It will remove the last digit and print the value. Next 6 will remove and print. 3 will remove. Finally value becomes 0. When 0 not equals to 0, condition false. How 0 not equals to 0? Then it will terminate. So here why we are using while loop, sir, means what? Because we don't know how many times you have to repeat the loop. How many times you have to repeat the loop. This is the one. Any number you can give is keep on repeating until the value become 0. Sir, first of all, while loop is for repetition. Please don't remove this from your mind. Until n value becomes 0, while loop is repeating. Okay. Sir, next what you are doing? Sir, I want to get the last digit into one variable. Okay. That last digit we are collecting. Sir, next what you will do with this last digit? I'm just printing that last digit, not doing much. Then I'm removing that last digit. Code is what? Let me explain with comments. Repeat the loop until n value become 0. Here it will get the last digit. Next it will print that digit. After that it will remove that digit. And this will continue. How long? Until n value becomes 0. Okay. So how the code gets executed? First, in this one, a small one I am taking, not many number of iterations waste. So first what will happen? It will get 5, because condition is 365 is not equals to 0. Yes, condition is true. Come inside. N mod 10, I already told you. Any number mod 10 means what? It will give the last digit. Sir, what is the last digit? 5. 5 will come and store into this D. That value printing. So in output 5 will come. 5 will come. So next what will happen? N by 10. Remove the last digit. That 5 will gone. 5 will gone. So that value 36 only. 36 not equals to 0. Yes, condition is true. Come inside. Again, last digit you will get. What is the last digit? 6. That 6 will print 6. Next, by 10 means what? Remove that digit. Next value is a 3. Yes, 3 not equals to 0. Condition is true. So that last digit, that 3 only will come. Come and store into this D. Yes, printing that 3. N by 10 is remove that digit also. Value becomes 0. 0. 0 not equals to 0. Condition false. It has failed. Is a simple way of displaying all the digits. Displaying all the digits. Just compiling and executing. This is the code. All printing in reverse order. I'll show you all these things. Then you will practice. Is the first one. The next one is, sir, I just want to sum of all the digits. Okay. What you have to do? What you have to do? First, I'm taking one variable sum. After getting the digit, please don't display the digit. Add that digit to the sum. Add that digit to the sum. Finally print that sum. Let me explain that code. Here, n value you have taken is a 365. Some value you have taken is 0. First getting the last digit. This is the 5. That 5 added to the sum. 5 directly add to the sum because sum is equal to sum plus d. Sum equals to sum plus d. Add to the sum. 0 plus 5. Value is a 5. Next, n by 10. By 10 means what? Working with that 5 completed. So remove that 5. Next iteration is a 36. 36 not equals to 0. Yes, come inside. Again getting that digit. 6 will be added to the sum. 6 will be added. So 5 plus 6. 11. 11. Next, that digit will be removed. N by 10, that digit will be removed. Next loop will repeat only with the help of 3. Yes, last digit is a 3. That 3 will be added. 11 plus 3 is a 14. Then that is also deleted. Value becomes 0. Printing outside, please don't print inside because final sum value you need to display. Final sum value you need to display. That is the one. Hope you got it. Is a simple way of displaying the things. Okay, na? Now, this is the one. Is a one. Sum of the digits. The next one is, here it is. Sir, in a single line also, sir, why taking D separately and writing that n by 10 directly, you can take here, no problem. But what is the advantage is what? I'll explain. Sir, now I'm taking some large number, 3218764, suppose. I want to display only even digits, just even digits. See, getting the digit is the same. Getting the digit is the same. Next one, removing the digit is the same. But once you get the digit, what is the operation you want to do? If the digit is divisible with the 2, then printing that digit. That's all. Just printing that digit. How this code gets executed. First, let me show you the output. Only the even digits it is printing 4682. 4682. How? It's a simple. First, what is happening? 321, 321, 8764. So first it is getting the last digit. That is 4. 4 is getting. Now it is checking 4 is even. If it is even, if even, then print. Then print. That's it. Next one is a 6 will come. 6. Because you will remove. Please don't forget to remove. Sir, if I don't remove, if I'm not writing this, what will happen? Is keep on repeating the loop with this same n value infinite times. It will repeat infinite times. Okay, 6. 6 is even. Okay, print it. Then 7. 7 is even. No, it's not even. So don't print. Next 8. Yes, 8 is even. So print it. Every time this is for taking the number. That is digit. Next, this is the code. And then remove this digit. All the operations we are doing like this. Only even digits we are writing. Only even digits. Just quickly practice the last one. I'll explain a few more. All the codes we need to discuss today. Only this last one you please type and check the output quick. So now more examples I'll explain that you will practice followed by. See here, now I just want to count how many even digits are there. I don't want to display. I just want to count. So here, instead of displaying, just take one extra variable called count. Count equals to 0. Count equals to 0. Just count. When you count it, increase by 1. Count plus plus. And outside simply, the count is. We are printing that count. So total how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So output is a 4. See, count always initialize with 0 and you start counting every time with 1, 1, 1 you need to increase. 1, 1 time you need to increase. Most of the people confusing. There is no relation with other things. Just taking the digit. If the digit is an even digit, count increase. That's all. Then remove the digit. Okay. Now, I just want to find the sum of all the even digits. So take sum. If you find the digit even digit, then that even digit adding to the sum. Sum is equals to sum plus d. So that display that sum. Display that sum. Just run it. Run it. Sum of all the even digits. Sum of even digits, that is 20 printing. That is 20 printing. Okay. Now, can you please try one thing for me? Here it is. It's the same one. 3218764. I just want to find the largest digit. Just consider initially large equals to 0. Get the last digit 4. Check the digit is greater than this large. Then store. Yes. First step is what? Get the last digit. And check if the last digit is greater than large. Store that last digit into large. Last digit into large. Working with that digit is completed, then remove that last digit. And this will continue until n value 0. Number becomes 0. That's it. Until the number becomes 0. And finally, print the large. Look at this. First one, get the last digit. This is the one. Now check if this is larger than this. Yes, already large is 0. Yes, 4 is larger than 0 now. Then store. Next one is a 6. Yes, 6 is greater than 4. Not with a 0, 4. Yes, store. Next one is a 7. Yes, 7 is larger than this. 7 store. Next one is a 8. Yes, 8 is larger than 7. 8 is larger than 7. Then store. Now 1 is not larger. 2 is not larger. 3 is not larger. So no need to do. So final value is a 8. That 8 only will display here. Can you please write the code? Just convert this into technical. Everybody, please drop your code in the chat box. I need to know how many of you following. Okay, right. So hope you have written. Just compare with this. So initially, we just take one variable large equals to 0. Now, after getting the digit, so how we are doing? If the digit is greater than large, because already large 0 you have taken. If you find out that digit is greater than large, store that digit into large. That's it. And finally, remove that digit, printing that one. Just execute the code. What is the largest digit that you will get? 8 is the largest digit. Okay, is a way. See, just for understandability sake, inside the while, sir, can we write a for loop and all for that? Sir, for each digit, how many digits are there? Each digit you are getting, na? Sir, for each digit, I just want to display the multiplication table. For loop again coming back. For each digit, I'm displaying. So for I equals to 1, because I less than or equals to 10, I plus plus, we need to display 10 times multiplication table for each thing. You know that how to display that n value, n followed by multiplication, not n. N means so much. The complete number will give. Digit is multiplied with I is equals to n is multiplied with I. Again, not n, digit. Everyone will get the confusion. Blindly, they will write n. N means you are printing the table for this total value. No. So first what we are doing, we are getting the last digit. This one. That is D. So we need to display the table for D. That is 4. Fourth table we are printing. 4 into 1 equals to 4. 4 into 2 like that. 4 into 10 equals to 40. If first table completed, then that digit will be removed. That digit will be removed. Then again that loop will repeat with the second digit. Sixth table, seventh table, eighth table, first table, second table, third table. All tables will print. So inside the while loop, can we write a for loop means what? Just I have given one example. I already told you. Depends on your requirement. You can write the logic as you wish. See the fourth table, sixth table, seventh table, eighth table, first table, all these things we are printing. Okay, just do this quick. Okay, this is. And the next one is the normal examples on this, you know already. If you want to reverse the number, just I am giving the 365. Once you get the digit, once you get the digit, just I'm writing that initially reverse equals to 0. After getting the digit, just reverse is equals to reverse is multiplied with the 10 plus that digit. Just how it executes. First, reverse value is a 0. One digit will come. First 5 will come. So execute this one. Execute this. Reverse value 0 is multiplied with the 10 plus what is the last digit you got? 5. 0 into 10, 0 plus 5 is a 5. Reverse value has changed to 5. Next, next digit is a 6 will come. 6. So 5 is multiplied with a 10 plus that digit is a 6. The value is a 5 into 10, 50 plus 6 is a 56. Next last digit is a 3. So into 10 plus 3. 56 into 10 is a 560 plus 3 is a 563. So all the three digits. Finally, that value becomes 0. So 365 become 563. 365 become 563. This is the simple way of reverse. After that, simply you are printing that reverse number is REV. That's it. 365 is a given number. Is a given number. 563 is the reverse number. Is a reverse number. That is. Now, suppose if you are going to find out the palindrome number. Sir, what is the palindrome number? Reverse number is exactly equals to 3663. Reverse number is exactly equals to the same number. Then we can call it as a palindrome number. How we find out? How we find out? Suppose whenever you are just writing that reverse is the same story. But finally, all you need to check the given number and reverse number both are equal or not. That's it. So 3663 I am giving. Consider same one. And finally, how we are writing if the given number and the reverse number both are equal, then we can say that it's a palindrome number. Else, it's not a palindrome number. It's not a palindrome number. That is. So when you are executing this code, but see, 3663 reverse value is also 3663 now. But still you will get the output is a not palindrome. Sir, why? Only one simple point you need to understand here. First n value is 3663 only. But every time what we are doing by removing the last digit, n value become 366. By removing the last digit, n value become 36. By removing the last digit, n value become 3. By removing the last digit, n value becomes 0. So n value finally is a 0. You are comparing with 0. So it will not happen. That's why first just store that n value into one temporary variable, any variable, no matter. So instead of comparing this n, compare with that temporary variable because the temp variable already contains the n value. Now you will get the exact result, palindrome. Simple. Okay, na? Is the simple way of doing. So practice all these things. I'll upload, and I already told you that tomorrow I'll start the arrays concept. After arrays, methods I'll explain. After methods, I'll start the stack concept. Before this, for loops, while loops, nested for loops, all these things you should be good at. Please practice. Thank you all.